In Ahmed, wonderful Ahmed. It's been, yeah, an amazing, relaxing last 4 days. Today's our last full day and we leave tomorrow to head to Ubud. Today we're actually doing a bit of a day trip with our drivers, Santika, and yeah, we've just stopped at our first destination, the Lamp-Uyang Temple. I think I got that right. But yeah, so we're on foot at the moment and we've got our lovely sarongs on, which were provided by Santika. And yeah, we'll come here, go have a bit of a look around the temple. Apparently there's a lot of steps here, so we'll see how far we make it. second temple now. This is Titaganga. Sure I got that wrong as well. But yeah, this is a water temple. We'll have a bit of a look around. I've seen some pretty big goldfish in there, so I want to have a closer look at those guys. And there's a cool stepping stone kind of feature over there. Pretty busy, but we'll check out that too. So just outside the temple, they have a few animals you can get photos with. So I went with the snake, and wow, is he heavy and powerful. I could feel him trying to like push my arms apart, and he's pretty cool though. I like him.
Hey buddy. That's beautiful.
Hey guys, so we've made it to the lookout for Mount Batur. I'll just introduce you to my mate here. This is Santika. Hey. Hey, how's it going? Santika's the man. He's been taking us around all day today, and he's a great guide. I highly recommend him. I'll show you his business later, and I'll leave his details below as well for you, man. Thanks for today, man. It's been great.
You're welcome. Yeah.
But yeah, so we're just here at Mount Batur. Mount Batur, is it?
Yes, there's Mount Batur.
So this erupted 1963, and this is all the lava that's come out, and obviously still no vegetation can grow there. And there's a beautiful lake over here, and this one, is this Mount Agung or
Abang?
Agung?
Abang.
Abang? Mount Abang. guys, it's been an amazing day today. We're actually at our final destination. This is Basaki Temple, and behind me there is Mount Agung, which is the volcano that erupted about, it was the last year actually, and unfortunately it's covered in clouds at the moment, but yeah, still hope to have a bit of a look around and get some good shots of the beautiful temple here. A quick fun fact for you. This is the oldest temple in Bali, and the majority of it is built out of lava rock from the eruption just behind me, Mount Agung.